Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back again with another video for you guys. This time it's on the Dairy Queen Snicker Blizzard. This is new. They bought it back. Whatever the case is, I never had it before. So today I'm going to try it out for you guys and let y'all know what it tastes like. Alright, I'm going to get my point of view of it. It's hot out here, man. It's about 90-something degrees. Alright, so here we go. Let's jump into it. See all that chocolate and caramel. Alright, let's see what she tastes like. Here we go. It's good. Tastes just like a Snicker bar. Get another bite. Y'all can get one you want to. It's good. I think this is like $4. Okay. Got another bite. Y'all get a bite, get a bite, get a bite. Alright. My turn. Tastes just like a Snicker bar candy. It's good. It's the mini Blizzard Snickers. Okay. It's delicious. On a scale of 1 through 5, I give it a 5. It's good. Real good. Sorry about the glare, guys. I'm sitting back in the truck chilling. So, if the quality ain't as good, it's because I ain't used to really doing it. But, you know, just doing it for y'all. Alright. Alright, guys. 5 stars. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Share my videos with your family and friends. And yeah, I give it a 5, guys. Give it a try. The new Dairy Queen Snicker Blizzard. And I'm out of here. Peace.